Most of the time I don't have many words to speak, but allow me leo nizungumze mambo matatu peke yake. La kwanza, Bwana Maosa, I also congratulate you for your appointment. Asante and karibu to the family of Kisii County Government. But allow me to tell you that kazi hii, two things are required. Number one, your loyalty will be critical. Number two, your discipline and in the manner you do business will also be very, very important. A man who stands for nothing can fall for anything. So it's therefore important for you to be what your colleagues have said, because they have praised you, and I hope you will live with that expectation in terms of going forward. La pili, kazi na kungoja ni mingi, na kazi hiyo I am sure utaiweza. As you know, I don't think you gave a single coin to get this done. That I am 100% sure. And expect nothing in return from those people you will work for. So that if you got it for free, let others get theirs for free. When people are told to go and sell their pieces of land for a job of 20,000-30,000, and you sell your inheritance, then he that takes that inheritance has consequences to see going forward. So be fair to people, and above all, be kind to them, and serve them well. Hata vile speaker alivyosema. La mwisho, in this space I've seen very great friends of mine, and I didn't know they are your friends as well. I'm a chairman. Joyce, rafiki yangu miaka mingi, I knew her during the days of Rangenyo Gas. Dr. Mungunji, I knew her during the times of Bomachoke, Terongoruli, yes. Moro, I saw you. I knew many days ago. Thank you. Abuga, I saw Abuga here. No. Kai Getamu. Yeah, Abuga, I saw you. And Getamu, where are you? Asante. Did I see Abuga? I had somebody else. That was who? He has left. He has left. I saw Orure. Yes, Asante. I am known to teachers. I appreciate to have seen you here today as a teacher as well. Respect these teachers, Maosa going forward. Na walimu tunawapenda sana, and I hope that as we go together, vile mmesema more to vile mmesema, let's support governor. Governor is one gentleman who is straightforward. Ukifanya kazi yako sawa sawa, hakuna shida. Ukiteleza, basi kitaanza kuumana. So it will be important for you, Maosa, to be as straight as you can and as honest as possible. In this government, we have very many teachers. You forgot Professor Nyagwencha in Mwalimu, Karen Oromi, Chief Officer Health in Mwalimu. Who else? Yes, Eric Miyenda, waziri wa elimu ni Mwalimu. Yes, yule pia ni Mwalimu. I also saw Dr. Mbaba. I think they have all left, very many of them. And today, we have a new baby called Maosa ambaye pia ni Mwalimu. In the board, we have Jared Omoyo, ni Mwalimu, is about to be a doctor, I'm sure. Kuna Kefa Mokua ni Mwalimu. Kuna Nyabuto wewe ni Mwalimu juu. So there are many. So governor supports teachers. Tafadhali in return, kindly give us support when you find that it's necessary for you to do so. Because we are here for you, and we intend to do that which is right. Before I read this speech, allow me to grant Maosa a few minutes to say a word, then I read the speech and we wind up, isn't it?